Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. Myself, I am Harsha. I have around 16 years of experience in trainings itself. Okay, so I am giving Pega training since I started my career working on Pega PRPC since after 1 year onwards. Like I have around 17 years experience in IT, and after 1 year of working in IT, that time I started giving Pega training. So it has started slowly, and we have grown large. And today we are with many students. So far, I have delivered around, not around, okay, since I started the number, it is 636 batches, 636 batches. So I used to take batches in multiple time slots, and even the sometime back weekends also. Nowadays, I'm not taking weekends. And many batches I have taken so far during this 16 years of time, and where we have trained candidates who are just fresh graduates from colleges and who are having gap after education, who are already working in non-IT companies, and some people who are working in IT into other technologies, and very few students who are already working on Pega, but they wanted to gain in-depth knowledge on Pega. So I have trained students from different backgrounds, different technical backgrounds, and different education backgrounds. So education wise also, the people who are technical graduates and non-technical graduates, even pharmaceutical graduates also, we have trained and they were able to get the jobs. And many of our students who are from even pharma background also working into IT on Pega and today. Okay. And so since this 16 years of journey, so the students whom we have trained, they are working in almost all MNCs, like not even MNCs, even from startups. Today, you name any company where Pega projects are there. Definitely in that company, at least one student will be there from Harsha Trainings for sure. Maybe the student may be the junior level employee or senior level, even account manager, or can be a group account manager. So as I told you, I have trained the students who are from different technical backgrounds. Even the students who are technical guys, non-technical and manager level, account manager level also, I have provided training to them. Okay. And apart from the personal trainings, I have also delivered around 40, around 40 to between 40 to 50 corporate trainings for almost all MNC companies, even in India as well as other countries also. Okay, so that's about myself. And coming to Pega PRPC technically that you wanted to learn, that you have chosen to learn, you will be learning from the very basic level to the expert level. So you'll be learning Pega from very basic level to expert level. So where uh, if you are going to practice everything, the assignments that I am going to teach you, you will be in a position to be able to develop Pega applications independently. So you'll be able to develop Pega applications independently. It's not like a simple application. It's like you can develop the applications, like those are very much dynamic, like industry level. Okay. So you will be able to develop the new applications. Okay. Develop new Pega applications independently. Suppose there are already developed projects. You are going to join a project where the project is already developed up to some extent. And so again, here also you'll be able to work on enhancements of the application, enhancements of existing Pega application. Okay, where you can be an individual contributor. So you don't need to take any help from any of the seniors or other colleagues for technical support and all. So given you have gained good knowledge from our training program, everything whatever we deliver. So you'll be able to be a developer from scratch from the beginning. You can develop your application, okay, in a very dynamic way, including the configuration level. I'm not saying only at the high level development, from the foundation configuration level onwards, and you will be able to work on enhancements of existing Pega application. Already Pega application is there, okay. Half of the application development is done, and you joined in between the program, okay, project, and you will be in a position that you will be able to analyze and understand the existing application and build enhancements on top of the existing foundation that is there. And also you'll be able to, okay, to be able to work on production support issues. So you can be versatile in Pega after going through this course, okay. So that is, you can be a developer from the scratch, you can work as an enhancing engineer, and or you can work on already the project is over and it is running in production. There are some issues in the live. So you will be able to act as a good production support engineer as well. So you will be molded in all and all the ways, okay, when you go through this training program. So during our training program, during this, I will tell you what is Pega and all. During this training program, okay, so here, especially during this training program, you will be learning this Pega in a way as a developer, as I told you. So development and enhancements, you will be learning development, enhancement, and troubleshooting, debugging, okay, identifying and fixing the issues. In all these aspects, you are going to learn this Pega course, okay, in all the aspects, okay. So coming to our training program. So what is that we are going to cover today? So what is today's agenda? Today's meeting agenda. So first I will tell you what is Pega. What is Pega? Okay. What is its purpose in the and its purpose in real world and its purpose in the real world. Okay, this will be covered. Okay, second, does Pega software development requires any coding knowledge? Any coding knowledge? Does it require any coding knowledge? So what should be students' technical background? As well as we can also cover education background as well here. Okay, technical background. Okay, and I will give you some idea about the tool and who is the founder of this company and all. I will tell you. Okay, so are we good to proceed, every one of you? Anyone can unmute and respond.
Yes.
Right, everyone. So I will give you time to talk to me. I will provide you my personal number. For your career guidance, you can contact me on my personal number. No problem. Okay. During the class, only any doubts or any questions related to that specific session only we will go through. Maybe many of you may have some doubts and some queries that I might not be able to cover in today's session. No problem. After the class gets completed, I will be having 2 other sessions which are running batches, and I will give you some time slot. Between that time, you can call me. And meanwhile, I will give you my personal number now. Every one of you, please take your phone and save this number, Harsha Pega Trainer. Okay, and my personal number. And you have another number also, right? That is Harsha Trainings Institute number. Okay, just make sure that you need to reach out to these 2 numbers for some specific purpose. Okay, so this number should be there with every one of you. Okay, 9652532753. And I hope all of you have joined the Pega community, Pega training demo. Are you there in the community? If anyone is not there in the community, Pega training demo, please send a WhatsApp message to this particular number, institute number. They will give you the link to join the community. Okay, if you need any details, like details about course, its duration and cost, and Pega software, installation assistance. Okay, and apart from that, material, video access, all this. For all the things that I have mentioned here, you always need to reach out to office number. Then what is my number? +91 888 62 66619. And for what reason you are going to reach out to me? For career guidance and any technical doubts during the course. Okay, technical doubts, career guidance. And while you are, suppose you have some technical doubts or some interview help, okay, like this, you'll be reaching out to me. You'll be reaching out to me purely for Pega purpose and for career guidance purpose. Remaining all, you need Pega software that you want to install in your laptop, and you need our installation assistance. Okay, you need material. You need to know where I can find the videos, access to videos, and you want to know the details about the course. For all that reasons, you always have to reach out to our institute number only. I hope everyone is clear with this, right? Okay, and all of you, please note down these two numbers, okay, somewhere in your laptop, or it's good that if you save these numbers in your phone right away. I hope all of you have saved these numbers. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so here you go now. So what is today's meeting agenda? I told you. So what is Pega and its purpose in the real world? Okay, so let me cover this. What is Pega? See here. See this particular screen that I am showing you. This is Pega software login screen. Okay, Pega software login screen. I can log in here by giving some login credentials. What I do is, to give you some good idea and understanding, I'm going to log into some existing application. Okay, I'm going to log into some existing application. Okay. Okay, some existing application I am going to get into. This is single sign-on. I will be teaching you all these things practically. It's not so easy. These are the high-level integrations and configurations. So you are going to learn more or less LSA level, okay? Lead level. It's not only a junior level, junior, senior, even lead level you'll be learning. See, this is the Pega software, okay? So this Pega software is meant for application development. Application development. That means Pega software is useful to develop the applications. Suppose I will tell you some general examples which you are very much familiar with. Some applications. Applications like any applications like, suppose you can say travel ticket booking application. Okay, travel ticket booking application. Let's say IRCTC, okay, or Ease My Trip, or many other things, okay, or let's say e-commerce applications. E-commerce applications means it's like Amazon application, okay, Flipkart application, Walmart applications, or many other things if they are existing like Walmart, I'm not sure. Okay, so because you are very much familiar with these applications, I am giving the names of these applications. You might have experienced accessing these applications many times, okay, in your day-to-day life. Okay, we can develop applications like this by using this particular Pega software. You can use Pega software to develop the applications such as IRCTC, Is My Trip, Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart. All these are possible. But in the real world, are we going to use the Pega software for developing this application? That means in today's world, in the industries are using, or the clients are using for developing this type of applications? No, not really. What exactly? You can develop this type of applications for sure. And Pega is mainly used to develop BPM, stands for Business Process Management Applications. Business Process Management Applications. So the applications which are meant for processing your business, BPM, Business Process Management, means the applications which are meant for processing your business transactions. I will tell you the examples of this type of applications. Loan processing applications. One is loan processing application. Second one, insurance policy processing application. Okay. So loan processing, insurance policy processing, and insurance renewal, reinsurance. 1 minute. Insurance renewals, reinsurance applications, and healthcare like hospital patient management system. Okay. So member management, healthcare. Member management is a bit different than patient management and all. Healthcare member management system. You don't need to know as of now what is that member management in detail. So some application type. Okay. So in the healthcare domain, and even telecommunications, telecommunications. So in telecom, let's say, for example, cabling management system. Okay. And new customer onboarding. So HR management, if you take HR management, employee onboarding, okay, and employee related tools. Tools means, let's say it can be like your any other internal tools that you will be using, that type of service tools, employee service applications. Like this type of applications you can develop using Pega. In today's world, they are using. See, Pega applications, that whatever in today's world exists, those are not public domain applications. Can any one of you unmute and tell me what is meant by public domain? What is meant by public domain? Anyone?
Anyone can access the application through
Anyone can access over the internet, right? Public domain means Pega applications are intranet applications. Pega applications are intranet. Okay, intranet means the applications accessible only to the employees of organization. Within organization's network. So it will not be made available, accessible to common public. So all Pega applications are business process management applications, where you use most of the Pega application for processing and making your business transactions. Suppose you take a loan application. What are the steps involved in the loan processing? Can you please tell me what are the steps involved in loan processing? So first step one, documents collection. Means I can say details plus details collection. How you will be providing the details? So there will be an insurance agent or loan agent. Loan agent will reach out to you He will ask you, sir, please provide me your details. I will note down on the form. Or send me your personal details forms. I will make a note. Okay. Otherwise, you go to any website. There are some website, right? Loanbazaar.com or any website. There you will provide your basic details, your name and what is the loan you are looking for, and what is the amount of you are looking for, what is your professional details. When you basically submit the details, customer care person will call you, and from there he will send you one bank employee, okay, who is called loan agent. Loan agent will come to you and he will collect all other details. What he will do with the details, he will submit the details to the bank, where he will be submitting to back operations teams. Some team will be there internal. The team will scan all your documents. The scanned documents will be processed to start and begin your loan processing. Suppose if you go to online and I am looking for personal loan, Google, I am looking for personal loan. So you will get some link, click on the link and provide the details. That is not the application where your loan will be processed. Whatever the applications that you see over online, those are only details collection applications. And after your details are being given to the loan agent, are collecting through the online, these details will be forwarded to internal back operations teams. Their internal back operations teams are going to create one transaction. They will initiate one transaction and input your data. From there, they will take it to review. After your basic details are collected, second step, they will also ask you to send an email with all the necessary documents. So documents collection. Documents can be your employment document and your salary certificate, your tax documents. After this, they will go for review. After review, it will be taken forward to the next step for the approvals. So after, I'm telling you high level. After the approval is been received, it will be taken for the loan, I mean like the user approval, okay, customer approval. Here I can say manager approval. Okay, here I can say customer acceptance, not approval, acceptance. So customer care person will call you, sir, your loan is almost approved and we are going to charge you 2% of processing fees, and you have a tenure selected as 5 years. This is the loan EMI that you need to pay, and you will get your amount credited to your account within 2 working days. Are you okay with all these details? Do you want me to proceed further? He will ask you, and he will send you email also. Say, I am accepting all your terms. Please proceed. Then they will take it forward and they will give it to loan disbursing team. That is, what do you call it? Let's say in the back end, you have finance team. Finance team. It will go to finance team. Finance team is going to take it forward and disburse the loan for you. Okay. Disburse the amount to customer, loan amount to customer. Okay. And you get the loan and your EMI calculation will begin. See, if you observe, you will never access the application which is meant for loan process. You will never access. This is called back operations processing. This is called back operation. See, even insurance also same way. Insurance, details collection, document collection, review, manager approval, customer acceptance, and it will go to finance team. But here they won't disburse. They will collect the insurance premium amount from the customer and the case will be closed. Okay, almost all similar steps. So, but as a common man, we never involve in processing or accessing or seeing the screens of that loan processing or insurance processing applications and all. These are called business process management applications. These type of applications you can develop using Pega. Okay, look at here. This is the Pega. I'm sorry. This is the Pega software, right? So in a Pega software, you can design and develop the applications for loan processing, different types of insurance processings, different types of management applications, process management applications, HR onboarding, member management, hospital management, applications like IRCTC you can develop, applications like Amazon, you can develop. See, there are so many things. See here, this is the design of my transaction processing. It has been designed like a transaction life cycle is been designed. Step one, look for the existence of customer. I do not want to directly input your details in my system. You might be already a customer to me in the past. When I want to give you a loan, directly, blindly, I don't want to input your data. You might be already a customer in the past. I will search with your ID details. I will search whether you are already a customer in my business or not. If you are already a customer in my business in the past, do I really need to collect your data once again? Your first name, last name, your date of birth and all. Is it necessary? Not necessary. I can pull the existing data. I can be okay with existing data. Maybe I can ask you to provide if there is a change in the phone number, or if there is a change in the email address, or there is a change in the address details. These things may be different. So I may ask you providing only those details. Your date of birth won't change. Your first name, last name won't change. Your ID card number won't change, right? So that's how you will be designing your transaction model for searching the customer when you want to search for like this. Oh, I think even if it is not displaying, no problem. So, okay, so we'll think about it later. And so there are like single search and multi-search, collecting the data, okay, creating approval case, okay, collecting address details, okay, collecting the details of vehicle. The one what you are seeing here is auto insurance, vehicle details. In between there is transaction details, selection of coverages, and things like this you will be doing in Pega. Just wait, it is a bit slow. So let me go ahead here. The system is now responding slowly. Just wait. Okay, so I will search for the customer. So customer is there in the system. Then it will provide the data. It is bringing this data from the database. Okay, as a Pega developer, you are going to develop and implement the requirements of this type. Okay, this is one example requirement. So you search for a customer based on the customer identification number. So that number can be anything, any unique number and all. Suppose you don't have any ID, customer do not remember any ID. So he remembers his first name. You can search by first name. Okay, this is like you search for multiple customers and bring the data. Okay, and submit and proceed forward. We will develop this type of requirements. That is what I meant to show here. First name, last name, gender. Okay, I am going to choose the date of birth. The moment you choose the date of birth of the customer, right? So date of birth of the customer, I want to calculate the age of the customer. So automatically based on date of birth, the age is getting calculated. Okay, now? So you change the date of birth, the age gets changed. Okay, accordingly. Suppose the age of the customer is less than the required age. For male, age must be 21 or more. We will show some messages like this. This is called validations. This is called validations. Why I am showing you all of these things? The reason is very simple. I just wanted to let you know that we are going to work on this type of development, not only screens, validations, and auto calculations and all. Suppose if I submit to proceed further, it says phone number should not be more than 10 digits. I have 11 digits given, only 10 digits I have to give. This is a kind of validation, right? Are you getting the point, every one of you? Every one of you. Are you following me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So just follow me. This is just a kind of informative session to all of you. Okay, now? I just wanted to give you the basic idea and understanding about Pega tool. Just I used to take a different way the first demo, but from this batch I have a bit changed this one. Okay, now, so a confirmation screen is getting displayed for verification purpose. I will forward from the verification screen. So maybe if it goes to verification team says verification is successfully done, all good, something like that, they will give their approval and they will submit. Okay, there are different teams involved. We will talk about the teams perspective also. Just give me a minute time. I just and here approval team involves. So here The next level is approval. Approval team can say either we are going to approve it or we are not going to approve it, like that they can say. Just wait. The screens are loading slowly in my system, especially approve, reject. So suppose if they reject, you know what will happen? We will get one email address. We will get one, we will get one email being sent. To show you that email being sent, I am going to reject it. Suppose generally, okay. Suppose some reason they are rejecting after reviewing the data and all. So an email has been sent. See, your case has been, the sent email also attached in the transaction. In the transaction, whatever email is being sent from a real email address to another real email address with case ID in the subject and some details that they have submitted. Let's see now. Just go to backend. I'm sorry, I think that is not open, but I will open here now. Just a minute now. Just now, one email would have been sent from, like in Amazon application, when you purchase a product, at the end of purchasing a product, you will be, okay, no problem. That email is been passed actually, no worries. But email, it will come because as I told you, my system is a bit slow. It is a home version. If I restart my server, email will be sent. There are some issues with my SMTP protocol. I'm doing some other practice. That's why my system has become slow. Okay. I am working on some HTTPS protocol, connecting my system to HTTPS. It has become a bit slow. Don't worry. But email will be sent. That email is been attached to here. Okay. It is slowly coming. Actually, it should come within seconds. You see now, your case is rejected with so and so. Just now we have seen this now, where it has come from. Harsha test 7 email. So from one email address, an email has been sent to another email. If you go to Harsha test 7, it should be there in the sent box, correct? In the inbox of Harsha Pega 1, it is there, means in the sent email, the same email should be sent. So our application is integrated with another application to send an email notification. So I have rejected it, no problem. Though I have rejected, I am going to take it forward further. Refresh this. Just to show you, I'm collecting the address details. User is going to provide the address details, door number. I'm not entering the valid data, just like that I'm entering. See, country, India. So India related states only will come. Suppose if I select country as USA, USA related states will come. This is called cascading drop down in Pega. One drop down values you populate filtering based on the drop down selected in the value selected in the previous drop down. India means India related. Andhra Pradesh related cities. Suppose if I select Maharashtra, Maharashtra related cities. Got it? And customer do not need to enter shipping address. If it is same as billing address, they will select one checkbox. This address details will be copied here, making these things as read only. This is what we are going to learn during our course. And customer will enter the policy effect, policy start date. And I want the policy for 5 years. Then automatically expiry date is getting calculated. Like data birth based age is getting calculated, right? Same way here. This is called declarative processing. We will be learning. And customer will choose some agency. Agency related information will auto populate. So while working on Pega, it is not only the user interface screens that you are seeing. In the behind the scenes, we will be learning about integrating with email systems, integrating with other systems and all those things we are going to learn. Okay now? So like this, we will be designing a transaction model step by step, screen by screen. We are going to design in our Pega PRPC application development. See, whatever you are seeing now at a high level, it is very minimum you are seeing. In the back end, there is so much. So many things are there behind the scenes. See, vehicle coverages. So I have these many coverages. I want to choose to apply these coverages for my insurance policy, and I submit 4 coverages I have chosen. For confirmation, the selected coverages are getting displayed in the table format, and you submit. And driver details. Once I provide the details here, driver name. Simply I am giving my name, driver age 22, driver experience of 4 years. Just remember this data. Once I submit, this data will get stored into backend tables. Just I will show you one table. Just wait. I'm just trying to give you what is there, what we are going to learn. Okay, just at a high level. Driver, you see, one table is there in the backend. We will learn creating tables without writing any queries and all. So are you able to follow or not? Just please tell me. You are able to follow, right? There is nothing technical here. Just whatever you are seeing there, just grasp it. Okay, 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 like that. So driver my name 224 driver ID got generated at runtime. Automatically a unique ID got generated and the data you provided is saved into table. You register on Facebook account, your details will be stored into Facebook database, right? The same way. And prior claims, I am selecting yes. When I select yes, something is visible. When I select no, something is invisible. This type of things you are going to do practically. And here you will provide nominee details and then submit table format of collecting data, attachments. So you want to upload your documents like your Aadhaar card, your driving license, kind of things. Simply here I am doing something like, yes, give me 1 minute, please. Okay, 2 files I am selecting. So one file is Aadhaar card type and another file is this one and submit. See, you know what, one thing here, that documents are going to get stored in the Pega database. Not only Pega database, I will also teach you storing these documents into third-party content management system. That is a kind of integration. That level you are going to learn. It's not at a high level you are going to learn. Please understand. I cannot show you all of those things in the single session, one session itself. Like this, you completely done with your transaction. You completed. Okay, processing your insurance policy. So while working on Pega, while learning Pega or being a Pega developer, you are going to learn Pega development. So using Pega tool, okay, I'm sorry, application development. Going to learn application development using Pega tool, where you are going to work on developing design and development of user interface, means screens and backend processing, business logic, implementing business logic and implementing database communication for creating, retrieving, updating, deleting data in the database, CRUD operations we call, and also integrating Pega applications, okay, with the database, okay, and email servers, okay, content management servers and web services, file system, and also you will be learning background processing. All these things you are going to learn. And now a big question. Do we need to learn to code anything here? That means for UI development, do I need to have the knowledge of coding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript? And for business logic, do I need to have the knowledge of understanding the syntaxes of programming languages? And do I need to write any code? For implementing database communications, do I need to have the knowledge and understanding of and syntaxes, knowing the syntax of writing structured query language? Do I need any coding like that? So Pega is no coding application development tool. Application development tool. When I say no coding, no need to have even the knowledge about. I will give you the basic idea and understanding of what is needed, but it's not a coding level or syntax level. No coding means strictly no knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and no knowledge of any programming languages. No knowledge of strictly any SQL service providers. No knowledge of SQL, simply. No knowledge of structure. Without having any knowledge about all these, being a zero in all of these things, you still will be able to learn Pega at an expert level and you can be a Pega developer. Whatever is minimum needed, I will be teaching about all those things and I will teach you in depth everything about application development. So the students, I may have to add this here at the second level. Okay. And technically you can be nothing. No technical, no prior technical knowledge, no prior technology knowledge is required. Okay. So without knowing anything, a student from any education background can learn Pega and can claim themselves as a Pega developer. Okay. Are you clear so far? So far about whatever I have given you the information, do you have any doubts or any queries in this particular aspect? Do you have any doubts or any queries so far? Are you clear first of all, so far with the given information?
Yes.
Everyone, are you able to follow me?
Yes.
My explanation, the way how I am delivering the things. Very good. Very good. You are responding by gestures. That is very good. Okay. Do you have any doubt or any question? Any doubt or any question? You can unmute and ask me. No problem.
Hey Harsha, sorry, I missed the starting part of the discussion,
Demo.
so I don't know if this is covered or not, but I just wanted to know once we enroll, then until how many months will we have the guidance or the support to just give interviews, and if there are any openings and all, then
Yes.
will there? Mhm.
Yeah, I will tell you this question. Usually I will cover this tomorrow. Today I did not cover, but now I am
Okay,
going to tell you.
okay,
See, if you once enroll as a student at Harsha trainings, let's say for Pega training, okay? So once you are a student forever. And the assistance from us, okay, will be there forever as long as you are following up with me. So regularly I will be sharing. Generally, we have some WhatsApp community, right? So whatever the openings that I will be getting, I'll forward in the WhatsApp community. Plus, I will post it in my status also. Okay, one thing. Forever you will be having access to that community unless you are going to exit out of the community. Okay, we will be giving. And for your interviews assistance, suppose after 7 months of the training, suppose you are already working employee, you want to try slowly. After 7, 8 months, you started giving the interviews and you attended some interview. One or two questions you do not know, you get back to me and ask me, Harsha, I got this question. Can you please guide me? What is the answer for this? How can I find the answers for this type of questions and all? I will be able to guide you. No worries. Okay. And you will be given assistance about the technical aspects of Pega. And you are a student who has gap after education. You want to fill the gap with some experience. How do you get experience documents where you can take from the trusted sources and certification exam help or any other assistance related to Pega? Suppose you are working in Pega and you join Pega project and you are working on some requirement, you got some doubt about how to implement it, something. You call me and you ask me, this is my requirement, clearly tell me and give me some idea what to be created. So I will give you. So I will be available to assist and I'm happy to assist my students as long as they are going to follow me. And interview related assistance or job related assistance will be there forever till you get into job or even after you get into job. Many of my students who have completed training past 4 years, 5 years, still sometimes they are going to call me and take my assistance on some of the technical aspects or career guidance related also. Still they will ask me. So I will be available all the time. Okay, clear?
yeah.
Are you
Thanks,
clear?
Harsha.
Okay, 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 very good. And tell me now, any other doubts by anyone else? And before we proceed further, okay, let me give you some general. Are you clear now, every one of you? So Pega is used for what purpose? Application development purpose. Pega is used for application development purpose where you design the transaction model without the need of writing any code. Pega uses workflow model. Pega uses workflow model of transaction processing. So let me tell you here. I did not tell you the architecture. Architecture I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, now Pega uses workflow model for designing transaction processing. So what is meant by workflow? If you look at this, if you click on this, you don't need to bother about the navigations at this moment. But if you see in the behind the scenes, it looks like a flow diagram. You know about flow charts, right? In your career, you might have seen many times the flow charts in many different places. So whatever the step-by-step I have shown you the transaction model that can be designed as a flow diagram. So by learning Pega course, you are going to be a Pega developer where you can develop the applications from the scratch. You can work as an enhancement developer with enhancement skills. You can even work as a production support engineer, and all that you can in all different aspects, troubleshooting, issue, defect fixing, all that you are going to learn here, debugging process, everything you are going to learn here from this course. Pega uses a workflow model for designing your transaction. Your transaction begins at some point of starting and goes step by step, step 1, 2, 3. So like step by step transactions will be processed, and like this, it will go through so many different flow diagrams throughout your transaction from beginning to ending. Okay, right? That's what you're going to see. Pega rules process commander, PRPC. I will tell you tomorrow about that wording and all. And the tool as of now. So the tool is developed by Pega Systems. What is the company name? Pega Systems is the company. Okay, it's one company. They have developed an application development tool. They have developed a tool for business process application development and named it as what? PRPC, stands for Pega Rules Process Commander. That is the name they have provided. In short, we call it as PRPC. So the tool, whatever you are seeing here, in short, everyone call Pega tool. Its actual name is Pega Rules Process Commander. What is the meaning of this entire thing? You will come to know tomorrow. But as of now, the tool name. Who is the founder of this Pega Systems company? So he is Alan Trefler. So Alan Trefler is founder of Pega Systems company. Look at here. Go to Google. Alan Trefler. If you go to Alan Trefler and see, so this guy Alan Trefler, okay, you see chess. He is playing chess in this one. You can see he is playing chess. Okay. So Alan Trefler is chess champion. Yes, Alan Trefler is decorated chess master and was the co-champion of 1975 World Open Chess. He is not a chess champion like a ordinary district level or state level. He is world chess champion. So that time it was a draw in the final match. So he is considered as co-champion, of course. These days, I don't know whether that is there or not there. Suppose the final match draw means two people won. Okay. He was one of the world chess champions during 1975. Okay. So at the age of 19, later at the age of 23, he started one software company and he wanted to give the name of his company a unique name and named it as Pega Systems. Unique name. Why the name Pega Systems? Why the word Pega? His company logo. So Pega Systems logo. You look at the logo of his company. This is a horse with wings. Horse. Do you have horse in the chess? Do you have any such thing? Yes. Knight. In chess, you have knight. We call it as knight. That is, of course, a horse, right? A warrior horse is said to be knight, actually. So, horse. When he look at the logo of his company, it reflects his passion. See, world chess champion means what kind of passion he should have. Okay. So when he look at the company, his company logo, it always reflects his passion of chess. Plus, you look at this, Pegasus. Pegasus means it's a horse with wings. From the word Pegasus, he had removed last three characters and taken first four characters Pega and named his company uniquely as Pega. This is a magical horse. You know, this in the movies also you might have seen. A horse with wings is a magical horse. Pega tool does magic of developing application without any coding. Without coding, developing applications, that is the magic. So a magical horse. So from this, he chosen first four characters and named his company Pega Systems, and the tool name is Pega Rules Process Commander. Explanation of this rules process commander I'll tell you tomorrow. Did you get the idea now why the tool name is Pega tool and why the company name Pega Systems, why he chosen that and who is the founder of this Pega Systems company? Are you clear now, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, clear, right, everyone? That is just a information to all of you. And that's it, this point of view. Tomorrow I will continue this one. But meanwhile, see the what we are going to provide, the training material, videos, interview questions, and the real interview audio recordings. I have attended many interviews in my career with many companies, and audio recordings of those interview questions and how to answer and all. By listening to that interview of 1 hour interview, not only one interview, around 16 interviews I have with all MNC companies. So listening to that during your training tenure or after the training tenure, you will get to know how the questions will be asked in real time and how we need to answer those questions. And also, and project explanation, how to give the project explanation in the real interviews and what kind of questions, all that you will come to know. So I will be providing you the material of theory documents, practical documents with screenshot, daily class recorded video. This video we will upload into YouTube for first 2 to 3 days. Later on, we will give you secure access to each student who enrolls for the training program by making the fees payment. And the access will be there for 8 months. 4 more months will be extended for the students who regularly attend this training program. And inform me if you're going to be absent, I will consider that as a presence only. And like that, 1 year access will be given to the students based on their attendance and all. Other than that, whatever the training duration of 4 months plus additional 4 months plus additional 4 months also will be given based on your attendance. Last 4 months will be extended. Okay, you can get back to me. I'll extend it, no problem. And that's what about this. And the material wise, I told you interview question and answers documents. So topic wise interview question and answers documents are there. All that I will be providing you. Okay, here I will write down. So theory document, topic wise. Okay, so class running notes. Running notes is what you are seeing like this. Okay, and record daily class recording. Whether you are absent also you will get it. Okay, recording video. Okay, and interview question and answers, Q&A, topic wise interview question and answers, documents, and audio recordings of real interviews. I have around 16 number. Okay, I will be providing those. Okay, and additional interview question document. Okay, and apart from this, Pega software, of course, Pega software to install in your personal system. These all things will be provided to you. Maybe I forgot some of the things, I don't remember. So whatever is needed for you to become a Pega developer and get into Pega job, everything will be provided to you. Okay. So with the completion of this training, you will be able to finish the, you will be able to clear the certifications of CSA, CSSA, all that senior level certification level of training you are going to get. Even more than that you are going to get. You'll be able to finish those things. I will tell you those things later. Okay. For this, for now, this one, and you got the meeting link, right? for tomorrow session also, for tomorrow class also, use same meeting link, same meeting link. So the meeting link which you are using now, it will work for tomorrow and day after tomorrow as well, and day after tomorrow as well. Okay. So day after tomorrow also same meeting. Tomorrow I am going to tell you about what is Pega rules process commander meaning. After we complete that, I will tell you about Pega software installation and Pega software installation and how to get the Pega software installed on your laptop and be ready. And then we can get into the subject. Okay. And then we can get into the subject. Yeah, I will be sharing the details about exam and all. No need to worry now. I will share after some time. No worries. Okay. So do you have any doubts or any questions to ask me other than these things, or maybe any doubts in this? You are clear, right? Tomorrow also same meeting link you have to use. You don't need to wait for any new meeting link. And my request to every one of you is, please connect to the class by 7 a.m. sharp, 5 minutes before only. 6:55 I'll open the meeting. So 7 a.m. we started today. We did not wait for anyone. Okay. And whatever the number that arrives at 7 a.m. we will start. So we want to be punctual to the classes. And you know what? 8 a.m. I have another batch which is a running batch. 8 a.m. means after 3 minutes I have a running batch. I need to take care of it. So 7 to 8 strictly we will be doing the things, and I will open the meeting by 6:45 regularly. That means first 15 minutes I will give you time to ask me doubts or questions related to the previous sessions. And one more thing I forgot to tell you. You have reminded me. Thank you. And we will take mock interviews. We will take mock interviews every week. So weekly or once in 2 weeks, depends. Mock interviews we will take. Suppose we have completed 3 to 4 topics during that week. That 3 topics mock interview we will conduct, and you can give the interview at a scheduled time slot. The process about that interview and all we will tell you. Okay. And the duration of the course is 4 months. See, why 4 months, such a long duration? Can I complete in 2 months? Of course, I can do it even in 1 month also. Given if I am going to teach you at a high level, if someone says we complete the training by 2 months or 1.5 months, okay, same content anyone can cover, even I can also cover in 1 month. Not a big deal. But the teaching level, like, are you teaching at the high level or in depth? How many requirements you are teaching? How many practicals you are teaching? How many different ways of implementing the same practical you are teaching? All this matters when you go in depth. Okay. So that's why it will take 4 months. I will be not only covering Pega, core Pega and all, Pega AI also I am going to cover. Pega AI, Pega Constellation, the new developments of Pega systems, Pega Artificial Intelligence, Pega Constellation also going to be covered in this generative AI. We call it as Gen AI. All that will also be covered during this training program. Hope you are clear now. Any other questions or doubts? We have only 1 more minute before I close the meeting. So please remember, you can call me between, okay, let me write down my timings also. I have given you my phone number, right? This is my password. My available timings, 11 a.m. IST to 9 p.m. IST evening. USA students can utilize evening time of India because 11 is to midnight for you. It depends your wish. And 11 a.m. IST between 2 9 p.m. IST in the night, I will be available between these timings. So before 11, I will not be able to take your calls. If I do not pick your call, leave a WhatsApp message. Okay, that's it from my end for today. Are you clear about everything that I have delivered for today? Everyone, respond. Please respond. Are you clear so far? Good.
Yes, Harsha.
Yes, sir.
So please do not miss any session. Okay. If you are going to miss any session, inform me before in my hand. Send a WhatsApp message on my personal number. I am so and so name, so and so batch. Okay. I am going to miss today's class. I'll follow the video. Like that, inform me if you're going to be absent. For now, we are okay. We are very good. And tomorrow, sharp 7 o'clock, we will meet to continue to discuss about Pega Rules Process Commander and Pega software installation process. Clear, everyone? Thank you for joining, everyone. We will continue tomorrow. Everyone, bye for now. Okay? Strictly 1 hour.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harsha.
You can ask me any general questions on phone call. Make a call to me in the given
Sure.
time.